Hello, myself Ravikiran Manchkanti. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I've done my bachelor's degree in Vellore Institute of Technology (PIT) in the field of electronics and communication. Today I am going to give a brief explanation of the wireless communication. Marconi was the first person who invented the wireless telegraph in 1896 by encoding alphanumeric characters in the analog signal. And nowadays these wireless communication advances can be seen in radio, telephone, and communication satellites. And now I'm going to give a brief explanation of the broadband wireless technology. Higher data rates obtained through this broadband wireless technology and share the same advantage as other wireless technology services do, like convenience and the reduced cost. And service can be deployed faster compared to the others. And there's no cost of plan for this. This is all about the broadband wireless technology. And coming to the limitations and the difficulties in the wireless technology. Actually, wireless are convenient and less expensive, but there's a lack of industry-wide standard and device limitations. And the modes of how the modes of wireless communication takes place is through radio frequency communication and microwave communication for the for the long range light of sight, and through infrared communication for the short range. And this is about how the modes of wireless communications takes place. And networking, the wireless networking, the networks used in the wireless communications are satellite-based networks, cellular networks, cordless system, and fixed wireless access schemes. This is about the wireless networks that is going to be used in the wireless technology communication. And these applications of the wireless communication can be seen in the cellular and the cordless services, phones, and infrared wireless. These can be used in the TV sensors, in the TV remote controls, like in DVDs, in TV DVDs, and these wireless Wi-Fi used to share the internet and file sharing. And this is about the applications of the wireless communication. And this is about the wireless communication. Thank you.